Dear viewers, welcome to my channel. In this channel, you will find videos on automobiles and auto replacement parts. I will try to give you good video gifts on this channel. Be sure to subscribe to the channel to get regular new videos and product links. Watch now. Latest filling refrigerant pressure gauge air conditioning refrigerant tool. Item number 1. R134 R22 R404 R410, refrigerant pressure gauge for household air conditioning, pressure metering of refrigerant filling, brand name, Necpoke origin, CN origin, material type, copper, item type, air conditioning installation, item weight, 1.5 kg, special features, refrigerant filling, item width, 25 cm, year, new external testing certification, ISO 9. Item number 2, refrigerant pressure gauge, high-quality pressure gauge, shock-proof pressure gauge, air conditioning refrigerant tool, certification, NANI origin, CN origin, model number, HS2824, refrigerant filling, item width, 25 cm, year, new external testing certification, ISO 9001, item height, 20 cm, item length, 25 cm, length, 25 cm. Item number 3, filling refrigerant pressure gauge, 134 AR410 AR22 R404A, refrigerant measurement filling pressure gauge, oil gauge, certification, NANI origin, CN origin, model number, HS0445, item type, air conditioning installation, item weight, 1.5 kilograms. Thank you for watching the video. If you want to buy these products, then see the description, click the product links and order now. Like, share, and comment on the video. For more videos, subscribe to the channel.